Do you know what is happening in Mexico? President Enrique Peña Nieto wants to finish with Mexico's alternative and community media, such as indigenous radios. He also wants to create silent zones that would require telcos to stop broadcasting any phone, internet, and radio signals during demonstrations, rallies, and during situations deemed by them threatening to national security. This new law puts network neutrality at risk, since the proposal gives telecommunication access providers the ability to block and discriminate against content and network communication protocols. Can you imagine a pay-per-view internet? We can't either. This is censorship. This is an attack on freedom of speech. And this law seems to target what our president's headache seems to be since the beginning of his regime: social networks and the way we organize through them. This law also restores the status of the preponderant corporation Televisa, which for decades had been the main ally of the ruling government party, El PRI, Peña Nieto's party. And now, they're back, and they seem to want absolute power again. The past should remain in the past. This is a new world, and we are a new generation, and we deserve to express ourselves freely. We deserve to choose and develop ourselves with freedom. Internet must flow. All voices should be heard. That is why we launched this global call, so you can help us spread worldwide what is happening in Mexico. This is not just about internet censorship. This is not just about the growing power of Mexican preponderant and abusive corporations that Peña Nieto is empowering. This is about them trying to conceal the truth about what is happening in Mexico. The violence we live day to day. The repression. The hundreds of thousands of disappearances. The outrageous poverty and illiteracy. The intolerable corruption and impunity. On April 21st, we want to invite you to join the global storm of messages, videos, blog posts, newspaper articles, songs, and anything that might help show what is really happening in Mexico and what they want to hide. On April 22nd, we will take the streets, and we won't feel alone if you help us make it visible. Also, on April 26th, people and organizations are planning a human chain from Televisa's headquarters to the presidential residency to show that we are against this law that violates our civil and human rights. This is just the beginning of a global master plan. If we can stop this in Mexico, this will not happen in your country. Help us. We will help you.